Hello, people. Hello, perfume community. I think that you are fine. Today, I bring for you Prada l'homme Absolu. Prada l'homme Absolu, this perfume that came out by the house of Prada on 2018. This perfume came after the success of the line of Prada on the line of Prada L'Homme. This perfume here that I have, this is a bomb of cardamom and iris, and I will describe this one after I complete this presentation of the package. This perfume here came in this package. I really like Prada presentations, and I respect this company because they do a lot of details and a lot of stuffs and the good things. Here is the front side of the package. As you see here, Prada L'Homme Milano, Prada L'Homme Absolu Eau de Parfum. This one comes in 100 ml Eau de Parfum. The front side we have this nice design, and the side you can see here the Prada L'Homme Absolu sticker here, and this is the back side also, the sign of the Prada L'Homme. The other side we have also that design mentioned here, and in the bottom of the package they do some informations about the fragrance, and that is a little trick here. If you can see the batch code 8171, this one is made in Spain in 2018, as I said before. This batch code you can check in Check Fresh, as I mentioned usually. I will show you here the same batch code in the bottom of the bottle. See with me. I don't think it's well, it's here. You can see it. One moment please. Yes, it's here in the bottom of the bottle, as you can see here. The nice of the bottle is the best quality. I respect this company, really respect this company a lot of. You can see here also the cap is strong, can hold the bottle freely. Here, as you see with me, nice materials here. The cap, you can see here the name of the company, Prada. This is the cap, and you see with me the vaporizer. I will test it with you. The spray is the good quality. Good. When you spray this one, in the first time, you will notice a bomb of cardamom and the iris. There is a bottle of cardamom and iris. In the first 30 minutes, the cardamom will beat the iris in the opening, and when this scent in the middle note, when the scent reach the middle notes, the iris will beat the cardamom, and it will be obvious till the dry down came. The iris still also beat the cardamom, and really it's a nice scent. It's a nice scent. When you in the first time when you spray this fragrance, you will notice the cardamom, as I mentioned, mandarin, and some spicy notes, and the bergamot. And after this perfume stabilizes a little bit, you will notice the iris came up with geranium and neroli, and after maybe 5 hours or 6 hours, you will notice the amber and the cedar. These base notes will stick with you all the day long with the iris. Also, I recommend very well this fragrance because after the success of the line of Prada l'homme, the issue that it did not last long, and it's only used in the office. When you wear it outside, nobody will notice you, nobody will smell it, but only on the office. But this one have a nice improvement on the scent, and nice improvement on the longevity and the sillage, quality versus price. It's a big deal. Just buy it. This one that I have, believe me, I have a good memory with it. When I spray it on my Claudis jacket, after 2 weeks, when I came to wear it again, I noticed Prada Absolu still there. You can smell it with no problem. It's a big deal. Also, in the line of Prada, they came out in 2017 with Prada L'Homme Intense, is the brother of this one. That line focus on the leather with iris. Instead of the first one on 2016, the version of Eau de Toilette that focus on the iris, and this one came on 2018, and they focus on iris and cardamom. Prada L'Homme Absolu, that's it have their brother of Prada L'Homme Absolu Femme, La Femme for women, and this one for men. I recommend it very well to buy it without thinking. Thank you, perfume community. Thank you. This is Madjid with you in the perfume space. Always we do review, we bring you the best in the market. See you later. Thank you for watching.